We are using caustic sodium hydroxide solution. This solution can cause chemical burns on the skin, blindness if it gets in your eyes, and it can even burn respiratory passages. The hydrogen and oxygen created by this setup is almost perfect for creating an explosion. So it's just a bad idea, and do not attempt this experiment. Even a minor spark can cause an explosion. So for my setup, I have this oxyhydrogen generator which we built in the previous video. The output of this generator goes into the bubbler, and the output of the bubbler goes into the torch. The torch is made out of one stainless steel drinking straw and the silicone sleeve that comes with it, and one 3D printer nozzle. And I have also put some stainless steel wool in the straw. First, I'm gonna show you how the torch works, then we're gonna have some fun. Yeah. Now it's fun time. Even with the 0.8 millimeter nozzle, the same thing happened. It's just ripped open the epoxy and everything. So guys, this is it for today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.